Here's my aunt's neighbor's York LX series and a Ream. The York is running. It's cold and sweaty. Look combined out to temperature. Model number TCJ D3OS4 1S3A. Serial number is W1G0098957. This is a 2-ton from 2009, and it is August 2009. And here's a Ring Classic X not running. Still can't believe they have those. It's not running. Model number RAKA-030JZ. Serial number is 5339 M13946459. This is from April of 1994. This is a 3-ton, and it's not running right now. I think it died. Here's the other neighbor's Goodman's. I'm gonna check that out. I never seen the Janitrol had a Goodman logo like that. Wait, both of them are not running. But oh boy, that's not running too good, but they're not running. Here's Goodman. Straight cool unit. There's one right here. Goodman. Heat pump. 3-ton from 2001, and this one is a 3-ton from 2008. I made that quick, and there's a lot more where that came from. So yeah, so let's get this started. I think I didn't really get this all started. Here we have there's 2 Nordines. This is not running. Heat pump. That's illegible. It's running full mode, but on is sweaty. We're combined out to temperature. Model number JS5BD-030JKB. Serial number JSD110808628. This is a 2.5-ton from May of 2011. That's a 2.5-ton, and kind of made that quick though, cause there's another Nordine. That was really quiet. And right here is a Comfort Star. Right here says Comfort Star. And the logo right here is faded. But model number MAH-30-410. This is a 3-ton. It's a 2-seer. It's an 8-seer. I don't know why. It is, I don't know what year that is. I can't find the serial number though, but this one, it's cold and sweaty. They're combined out to temperature. It's got a catch-all filter dryer. Same as the 2008 Goodman I filmed. The model number is NS5BD-024KB. Serial number is NSA0907-00704. This is from July of 2009. That's a 2-ton. It's not, and it's running right now, apparently. Right over here, there's some rings. And there's one that is brand new. It's not running. There's a window open. There's a Goodman and a Carrier. Ow. Ow. Oh, this is so loud. Oh, that was so loud. I don't know what. It's the Goodman that's running. That's why it became so loud. cold and sweaty. They're going to find out the temperature. From 2006. Here's a 2006 3-ton. And there's a Carrier. That's a straight cool unit. Serial number 2714X68936. Model number CA13NA030-A. This is from the 27th week of 2014. That's a 2.5 ton. And goodness, the only one's running. It's so loud. And it's got a GE fan motor. Right over there, there's a Train XB1000 I filmed last time. And yeah, it's still running. But I filmed this last time. This is from 2000, and that was the 2005 Marine Classic X RAMC. I mean, series, sorry. Series. Yeah, it's still running after I filmed it. And I didn't notice that, but there's another Train. That Train is an XB1000, but that one looks like an XC1000. Right? Yeah. And yeah, both of them are not running. Apparently both. Oh yeah, one of them is running. And it's the Ream. It's really quiet. I like it. It's really quiet though. Ream. Model number 13AJ N36A01. Serial number is W4314 13020. This is from, wait, what year that is? Well, October 2014. And here's a Train XC1000. Oh crap. It's cold and sweaty. Look about at the temperature. Model number TTTR 036D100F. Serial number C303-4UJ3F. This is from March of 2001. And it's a 3-ton. So yeah, Ream is really quiet though, but. And there's another Train, but it looks like an XR. Oh my god, my foot's itchy. Sorry about that, guys. My foot's itchy. No, it's not a Train. Excuse me. Yeah, both of them, I think both of them are running. But it's only this one. Doesn't have a logo. Model number 13AJ N24A01. Serial number is W471315 973. This is from November 2013.